How to use Pinterest on your phone for beginners. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this video, so let's get started right away. Now, first when you create an account, you will end up on this page. And here you have to select your gender. So I'm just gonna go with male. Here pick your country. And here you have to select 5 topics you are interested in. So here you can select anything you want. So let's say, for example, luxury cars, memes, art, soccer, Marvel, like whatever, humor maybe. You can select that if you actually like that, and then you can click on next. Now then, it will sort of like generate a feed for you that with all the topics that you've selected and that you like the most. And you'll end up getting a sort of like For You page or a home feed where you see all kinds of pins or Pinterests. And here you can see them, and let's say you like this one, for example. Then what you can do is click on Save. And it says now Save to Profile. And yeah, that's fine. And later on, we're going to change the save direction. So for now, if you go to this post, you can, for example, visit it, you can leave a comment, you can follow that person, you can also share it, and under here you can also see even more of these wallpapers, for example. So you can save this one and whatever, so you can go back and, for example, save this one. And the more you save certain like pictures or pins, the more when you refresh your page, the more your page will start to look like to like whatever you actually like. So now I'll start to see more and more of these pins that I actually like. So then you can also go to your profile, and here you can see all the saved pins. So what you can do is, because currently it is saved on your profile, but let's say you want to save it in different folders for different topics. So if you want to do that, click on the plus icon, click on create a board, and here you can add a board name. So I'm just going to add like wallpaper, for example. You can also make this board secret if you want to keep it private. You can also add collaborators actually, so that others can also add stuff to that board. So click on create. And now you have created a sort of like wallpaper. So you immediately start to get this, and you can add even more pins to that board. But you can also just go back, and then now here it says unorganized ideas. And you want to click on organize, and you want to select, for example, all of these. Click next, and then, so here at the top you can see your board, and I'm going to click on there, and now they'll start to save inside that board. So if you go to this board, for example, wallpaper, you can now see these 3 pins. So that's what you want, of course. And yeah, that's kind of it. Here you can also go to notifications. You can go to search. You can search for these tags, for example, dark wallpaper, green aesthetic. But you can also search for other people. So let's say you have friends on here that also use this app. You can search for their names and maybe check their profile and see what they've saved and stuff like that. So that's kind of how you can use Pinterest on your phone for beginners. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. I'll see you next time. Have a good day.